I haven't seen that horse king for a long time. Is it okay? It doesn't have teeth. Haven't seen it for a long time. I posed for a photo with my brother. Your brother is quite big. My brother is bigger than a group of me.
Bigger than you by a lot, yes.
Yes, you are young. You are the youngest. All in this group. Oh, he came back 2 years later. I thought he would come by himself. Grown up, right? Yes. Grown up, you were young before.
This man is fine.
Right.
I think usually the fourth one. No, right. I tell you, before coming to your house, I took a look. Specifically ate those small feet. That one is expensive. When it gets cold, his mom also does it every day, but it doesn't get better. In the end, it costs thousands or tens of thousands. Looks good, doing whatever. I know what he's talking about. It's that kind of specialized thing. He said he wanted to customize something, to customize it for you. Was he joking? Definitely not joking.
The dough roller on the table.
This group.
Doll, right?
Look.
See it? I see. Have these kids been hurt before?
It hurt before. Need to be sensitive.
Its nails are very hard.
Yes.
It's been soaking for a long time and it's still hard.
Ghost nails.
Afraid of bloodshed.
Isn't it bleeding? If it's that thick, how can it not bleed? You do pedicures but don't disinfect and it's still behind. I'm telling you, it doesn't feel anything. It's even emitting a fragrance.
Ghost nails are all like this.
There are many people. He is too poor